Hello guys, allô tout le monde, bienvenue dans channel mwen. Pas oublier pour nous abonner et partager et remettre vidéo qui te commet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much. And now, nous allons commencer. Yes indeed, we're about to start.
Je dis on va faire un petit detox. Premier ça moi fait, le moi le fait petit detox moi c'est bouillir de l'eau. Moi bouillir de l'eau et puis me choisi qui genre de detox moi va le faire. Pendant nous ka ouais, nous ouais moi gingembre et puis moi j'ai deux paquets. Tous les détails ça yo c'est detox yo. Yon c'est pour foie, yon c'est pour tout corps. Tout organe, l'autre organe. Ça c'est pour foie et puis ça c'est pour tout organe. OK? Si vous voulez clean foie ou whatever, c'est vous même qui pour faire recherche pour connaître qui ça qui bon pour vous. Mais nous avons petit gingembre, nous avons petit girofle, oui, nous avons l'ail et puis nous avons citron, nous avons petit persil, tout. Comme ça tout, nous pas oublier mettre apple cider vinegar et puis ou ka mettre un petit cinnamon si vous voulez. Comme ça tout, ou ne doit pas mettre. Nous prenons un cop et puis nous allons préparer un petit detox qui est vraiment simple. Sans nous pas oublier, nous avons un sirop miel, il était tellement vendu, nous sommes obligés à le mettre dans le microwave pour le melt a little bit. So, il est presque fini. So, on va mettre un petit sirop miel là-dedans, ou constater ou choisir. Nous avons préféré mettre sirop miel que ou mettez sucre. OK? So, ça c'est un detox. Donc, ça nous va le faire. Nous allons prendre l'eau qui est prêt. OK? Nous allons vider li. Très simple. Très simple. C'est pas un bagage qui est compliqué du tout. OK? OK. Moi, fin vider li. Tellement simple. Pendant le show, nous l'avons paqueté. OK? Et puis, nous l'avons girofle, nous l'avons tout bagay. Nous l'avons girofle, nous l'avons gingembre, nous l'avons l'ail, soufflé. Et puis, moi, pririger un morceau de citron. Et puis, tout l'avons pour mais un problème. Et puis, ça, moi, mettel qui c'est persil. Persil, bagay ça, faut nous faire vraiment attention avec, spécialement si nous sommes moun qui enceinte. Persil, li bon pour li bagay sans nous, but at the same time, li capable danger tout. OK? So, mettons un petit cinnamon. OK? Cinnamon nan li bon pour moi-même. Moi, mettez là pour ça, me mettre un petit apple cider vinegar. Ou pas mettre une cuillère ou bien deux. Comme ça, je contrôle. L'ol fini, je vais mettre une cuillère en y. Je vais juste contrôler la zoom. I said this is enough. Je suis un qui a boire sans la sucre là dans nothing. Pas un problème ça. Quand y a alors fin mettre ingrédients yo. OK? Tout simplement, par si nous avons assez de lumière. Tout simplement, vous faites comme ça, comme ci, comme ça. Et puis, nous allons couvrir. OK? Pour ingrédients, vous travail. Et vous quittez le, OK? Pour 2-3 minutes. Et puis après ça, t'es au prêt. OK? Kounya, ça c'était. Après 3 minutes, nous avons t'es li prêt. Pour que ça me pas nous exactement non téan parce que moi-même moi pas gain droit pour me prescrire monde. Kounyen pas gain excuse vraiment ou ka joindre tellement natural remedy dans réseaux sociaux yo. At the same time c'est on risque, right? So, ou ka comprendre ça qui est bon pour corps, ou gen doit al ba l'autre monde li fait malade. So, c'est ça fait toujours dire nous même qui dans médicament, nous même ou connaissez pas tout médicament qui ka mélanger à bagay ou bien nous connaît condition corps nous connaît qui ça nous ka prendre, qui ça nous pas ka prendre parce que gen des remèdes nous ka prendre, li ka cancel médicament que nous ta prend ou bien li ka vinn fait nous overdose ou something. C'est une raison qui fait que moi pas j'en prends responsabilité pour me dire nous mais qui côté pour nous acheter tel bagage mais qui ça moi-même moi montrer nous ça qui que moi fait pour moi-même et moi-même d'avoir encourager nous tout pour nous faire detox. Là nous lever premier bagage là nous lever le matin nous gen doit faire c'est pas un bagage on fait tout le temps, OK? Premièrement, si vous capable faire tout le temps, ça c'est up to you. But ou fait once in a while, lò senti ou chargé, lò senti comme si ou meyo te manje un bagay, ou ka gonfler tout ça, whatever, ou feel like comme si ko ou mérite un detox, ou gen doit faire. So, mwen fel avant breakfast mwen, avant breakfast. Ak breakfast c'est lò fin dormi, OK? Ou pour un break, it's like you fasting, body wap fasting, wap dormi ou pa manger, OK? So, koun ya lò levé, ou lò al met ton bagay nan ventou, ou prend un thé. Moi prends un thé, c'est ça bon pour moi. Nous t'a conseillé nous pour nous parler avec nutritionnist nous, et puis l'a dit nous qui ça qui bon pour nous, qui ça qui pas bon pour nous, OK? Faire yo non façon que pour nous pas causer plus problème. Maintenant, n'a regardé nous eli kounye tant qu'on me dit gen pile bagay faut nous faire attention quand vous sene maintenant li capable descendre like sucre nous garlic là li capable descendre tension nous so gen des bagay comme si sou déjà gen tension kilo et pour prendre bagay pour descendre tension li gen doit venir un problème, OK? Tant que persil li bon li capable sou gen li sang ou, li porte sang ou non sens, right? So, jiwof lan li bon pour so many things, bakadi. So, c'est ça que fait me dit, li vraiment important, si vous voulez faire detox, moi pas vendre detox, moi pas promoter detox, moi seulement dit, mais qui ça que moi fait kounye, de temps en temps, parce que moi réaliser, OK, qu'on a parfois li besoin traitement naturel. Kounye a moi vraiment focus dans traitement naturel et moi regarde moi ouais que les moi faire yo bon pour comme gen pile fois nous qu'on a le cas docteur a toujours dit OK mais ou même ou connaît quoi ou gon bagay qui pas fonctionner normal, so c'est responsabilité nous chaque pour nous connaître qui ça nous fait parce que moi même l'aime t'a lever me lever avec grand moi et puis me lever avec l'autre monde. Nous pas vraiment qu'on a le cas docteur souvent. C'est presque n'importe ça gagne on gon tête fait mal yo gon té pour on va faire mal yo gon té pour quelque chose ça gagne et moi remarqué que les que wap vinn prend l'autre médicament yo en pile fois yo kon gon paquet side effect moi pas encourager moun pour yo pas prendre médicament yo pas gen droit ça tout mais un seul bagay moi dit remède naturel là li ka beneficial pour en pile dans nous-mêmes mais avant que nous prend li faire recherche pas nous pour nous connaître qui ça bon pour nous avec qui ça pas bon pour nous. So ou que doit décider pour ba yo pas entrer dans bouche, OK? Ou que doit décider ou retirer parce que li gen ta fin fait travail li, OK? Ou retirer en massa yo parce que ou va le boire, OK? Ou va le boire ou retirer yo. Ou retirer garlic ou persil jiwof ou, OK? Gingembre. Parfois je manger gingembre là. Je peux juste manger parce que moi j'aime goût gingembre. Moi j'aime le piquer ya. OK? OK, c'est tout. I mean, OK? Et puis ou enjoy te ou, OK? OK? M'pa ba nou menti, li ba goût, c'est mon bagay qui goût, et pas pour goût n'a manger. But m'ka prend goût tout bagay, m'ka prend goût l'ail lan, jiwof lan. Gingembre nan tout, ou gen doit blender le sou vle. Pour le capi fort, sou vle, ouais. Voilà. Okay, so this is it. Very good. OK? Kon ya m konnen fon bagay ki bon, at least nan tête moi, m konnen fon bagay ki bon pour comme. So, kon ya, m bal passer dans l'autre étape. M bal préparer breakfast. OK guys, kon ya comme moi te dit nous, jeudi a son jour de detoxing. So, mwen pa manje bagay ki tro lou. So, mal montre nou ki sa mbral prepare pour breakfast. M'a eseye pa manje anken bagay qui produit dairy ou bien qui c'est quand me dit produit dairy un bagay qui fait avec you know lait coco cheese m'pa manger œuf m'pa manger viande m'pa manger pour jodi OK parce que m'a just prend plant base whatever ça m'a prend plant base so c'est ça qui fait moi préparer breakfast mwen. Si wap gade, ma montro ki sa ke mwen genyen. Sa li men, se flaxseed. Mwen pren about 1 spoon. E puis, mwen genyen, ou ka pren valo vle, chia seed. Whatever seed ou vle, kon sa tout e ka pren nuts, if you want. Ok? E puis, ou chwazi, whatever fruits ou vle. Mwen gen some blueberries, qui frozen et puis moi gagné cantaloupe and then moi gagné banana comme ça tout te gelo prendre pomme ou te gelo prendre whatever so vle ou te gelo prendre mango whatever ça ou ça tout vle kounya m'a besoin yon lait mais comme ça pour me faire douce moi bral mettre yon ti honey là-dedans yon ti sirop miel OK et puis m'a mettre ton petit cinnamon la donne, ça li optional, pas besoin de faire. But m'a metel. Et puis, mais qui ça m'bral fait let lan avec, m'a utilisé haute qui c'est avoine, OK? M'bral montre nous comment très facile soit qu'à aller dans market lan ou acheter autour qui déjà préparé et m'a besoin yon bouteille de l'eau ou bien de l'eau n'importe de l'eau gain, OK? Li da pi bon si nou jwen de l'eau qui alkaline, OK? So, but si li pa un problème, whatever ça nous gagne, OK? So, qui ça m'a fait premièrement? Premièrement, ça me besoin nutmeg, but bagay nutmeg. Premièrement, moi pral prend yon petit cinnamon, m'a plagué avec, pas besoin pile lait non. Parfois m'ge doit faire mettre là, but toujours me mettre le fraîche, m'a montre. M'a juste prend I'm just taking, so what I'm doing, guys, for those of you who speak English only, so what I'm doing, I'm actually going to do a breakfast, like, so basically just plant-based only, so I'm just going to make some oatmeal milk. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. So I'm taking the powder oatmeal, so the powdered oat, so they could already make it for you, or you could just take the regular oatmeal, and you blend it as well. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to do this, but I think it's easier for me to do this. And I could have taken the quick oatmeal, this one, and then blend it as well, but I decided to take the flour instead because it make it so easier for me. So basically this is what I do. I take about 1 spoon. 1 spoon is enough for me. I don't need that much. Okay, a spoonful. Well, when I say 1 spoon, for you it's probably 2 spoons because anyway, so this is what it is. You just add your water. I'll say put your water first. Okay, wait a second, let me put this away. Take your water first only because when you put the flour first, it stick in the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna take about, do you see? So it's up to you how much you want. It doesn't matter. I don't measure. So it doesn't matter. It's how you want it, how thick you want it, or whatever. So this is the spoon, and then I just drop it, right? You can put 2 spoons if you want, like I said. Let me see. You know what? I want it a little bit thicker. I'm going to put a 2nd spoon, or half of a spoon. Or a spoon, it doesn't matter. So I'm just putting another spoon. Okay? So, and then I'll drop a little cinnamon only because I like the taste of the cinnamon. Okay? But it will change the color, so be aware of that. So, to be honest with you, if you don't have a blender, you could just shake it. Okay? Look. You see? You could just shake it. But I'm going to show you that. You don't even have to blend it if you don't want to. You could just shake it and then you have your milk, your oat milk. Okay, but I rather blend it For some reason, when you blend it, it's mixed better for me, in my opinion. Okay, so this is it, right? Okay, let me take these things out of the way. So we're gonna just blend our little milk. All right. Okay, ready or not? Here I go. Okay, so some brand are a little bit richer than others. I don't ask me why, I don't know, but this is the first time I'm using this brand. I feel like it's still too runny. Okay, I feel like it's too runny. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm going to basically put a little of the real oat, because this one, I mean, you could do it that way, but I'm gonna put a little the real deal, because I don't know, because sometimes people, they do mix the thing with other stuff and then it gives you problem. But when I blend the oat myself, it's really thick, right? But this one, it's kind of like on the runny side. Well, if you have a sensitive stomach, I would not suggest for you to do that, because only because it could mess up your stomach, okay? Okay. I think we ready. We ready. And what you gonna do, my friend, to make a little flavor. I can put it after or before, but I'm gonna put it a little honey. Add yourself a little honey for flavor. Okay. Alright. You think that's enough? I don't like sweet things, so every little drop is good for me. So it's up to you if you want a lot more than me. So you could add. Make sure you tie it, because if you don't, it's gonna splash everywhere. Okay. I drink this, it does not bother me. So I don't know about you. So you have to know what you can consume and what you cannot consume. So what I'm gonna do is just strain it. You don't have to strain it, but I'll do it just in case, because I put the big chunk of oat. Let me, hopefully you can see. I don't know if you can see. Let me back this up. 1 second. Okay. So all I'm gonna do now is literally do this. This is, and you could put like a strainer, like that's a little bit finer than this one. If you don't mind the little grain, I don't mind it. So this is what we're gonna do. My hands are all washed, but I know for some of you sometimes it could be disturbing to watch somebody touching their own food. So I'm gonna take the glove to show you how I'm gonna place. So I'm taking half a banana. I don't need that much. Okay, I'm gonna take half a banana. You could take whatever amount that you want. It's up to you, right? So basically, let me grab a second glove. Maybe I'll take the whole banana, because you know how banana can be when you, and you could have just blend the banana as well and the oatmeal. Okay, you could also do that. So okay, no dairy. I'm using the oat. Like I said, some of you, it would upset your stomach if you not use to eat those kind of thing raw, okay? So don't do it. Get the one and I'm putting cantaloupe. It could be whatever fruits you decide to put. So and I'm putting my blueberry. It could be strawberry, whatever you want. Okay? I'm super hungry, obviously. You could hear me start eating some of it. Like I said, I'm gonna put the whole banana because I could eat. I wasn't gonna eat it, but I'm just like not gonna eat anytime soon after that. I'm like, let me just, you know, put it right now. So and then I'll put my basically my those seed, and like I said, you could put like nuts as well. So I'm using this seed, this chia seed. Okay, it says chia. If you want to know, is it upside down? Yeah, I think so. I cannot believe I opened the thing upside down. 1 second. So I'm using this chia seed. Okay. And the other one is flaxseed. I already removed it from the package. So this is the amount, but you can put whatever amount that you feel comfortable eating. So this is it. I just drop it. So I use it like a cereal, okay? I replaced it. Usually most of the cereals, they like, it's processed food. It's nothing but processed food. So if you're trying to detox or whatever, I wouldn't say it's the best. Okay. And then I put flaxseed. And these things, if you're going out, be careful. That could send you to the, you know what I mean. Like it would make you go real well. So yep. So now you have to mix it. Let me show you. Let me show you a picture of it before I start mixing it. Alright. This is it. This is a picture of it. Okay, now your breakfast is ready. Like I said, you could put whatever ingredients that you want, like as long as it's like plant-based, you know. But you could do whatever you want. You're free. I'm the kind of person to tell you, oh, this is what you need to do. At the same time, I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not allowed. Why should I tell people how to live their life? So it's your life. Do what's working for you. So I'm just sharing with you what I do sometimes when I'm trying to detox my body because we still have to eat, you know. So I'm showing you what I do that works for me, and you should find something that works for you. So I will mix, especially the seeds. Okay, it's very important you let them soak. And I'm not gonna eat it right away. I like to leave it for, for the oat milk or whatever milk I put in to make it soft a little bit for me. That's how I like it. All right. So basically, that's it. That's it. That's it. It's gonna be like jelly like, right? All right. So I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes before I return to it. Okay. So basically, that's the breakfast. Okay. That's it. That's it. It's at least it's delicious. Okay, and then I know that what I did myself, I use like fresh fruits, whatever. And then I basically um know exactly what I am putting in my body. Was I always conscious about what I'm putting in my body? No, but I also know when you're not, what could happen. Because, you know, like when you've been through things, you know better. Like, you know better. So I'm not doing this because I'm trying to be like acting crazy. You know what? I could have put some mango in it. I'm thinking about it. I'm looking at this mango right here. I'm like, why don't I put a mango? This mango is ready. Maybe tomorrow. No, let's not put a mango. But the mango tastes so good too, guys. Like you should try that. Now you see how thick it's getting? You see how thick it's getting? You see? Trust me, it's very filling. It's very filling. Okay? It's getting so thick. Okay? So You have to make sure you have enough milk. Okay, have enough milk to make it, you know, it looks like it needs a lot more milk, but I'm gonna have it like this. I didn't want it too runny, but it's getting so thick while I'm talking, and this is how I like it, right? And that's it. And then you dig in. Okay, I could eat it like that, definitely. I'm gonna show you. So what I do, I'll take a little bit of everything, like those fruits, and then I go and dig in. It's funny because you expect for it to taste bad or something. It's really delicious for me. I mean, let me just be honest. It's not delicious, but what am I talking about? It's not really delicious, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. It's not like something you will good over, you know? And then when I eat it, I don't feel hungry, you know? So, oh my God, it's so chunky. Like, I have to try to break it down because while I was talking, I didn't mix it well. Okay, so this is it. Flaxseed, these things, it's like rich, rich, really rich. Like, you should do your own search to see all these what fruits you want to put in there, you know, and what they do, what are the benefits. Okay, this is it. Look at it. I don't know if you're able to see it. I don't have good lighting. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Eating it just like this doesn't taste much, but when you mix it with the fruits and then honey, and sometimes you could drizzle more honey in it if you want. But like I said, I don't need a lot of sugar. Okay, so that's it. That's your breakfast, or that's my breakfast. Okay, and then later on, I will show you. I'm having this quinoa. I'm gonna have a quinoa salad for later. Okay, I'm soaking it, so it's soaking. Um, and then I'm gonna have it later on. I'll show you how I make it. Oh my God, I can't believe I dropped some of the water in my thing, but I'm still gonna eat it because I did wash the quinoa anyway, and it's soaking. Okay, this is so like you just take a big bite and then you. Mm-hmm. Mm. The banana combination is really good. I think the mango will be good too. You could also do pineapple. All right, I'll see you with the quinoa salad later on. Si vous voulez mélanger tout, if you mix everything together, it should look like somewhat like this. Okay? And I'll stay outside eating it on a sunny day. Can you cook it? You said. You could also cook the oatmeal and drop everything in it too. Yes, you can. But I want it raw. Okay? And if you're gonna eat anything raw, make sure you guys wash it really good. Okay? That's my advice.